Another dua we should make is لا إله إلا الله العظيم الحليم لا إله إلا الله رب العرش العظيم لا إله إلا الله رب السماوات ورب الأرض ورب العرش الكريم. There is none worthy of worship but Allah, the Mighty, the Forbearing. There is none worthy of worship but Allah, Lord of the Magnificent Throne. There is none worthy of worship but Allah, Lord of the Heavens and Lord of the Earth and Lord of the Noble Throne. We learn in Hadith that Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say this in times of difficulty. Whenever some difficulty came, this is what he would say. And in this dhikr, what are we doing? We are declaring the oneness of Allah, His perfection, that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah. And you say this 3 times. And then you mention His perfect names, Al-Azim, the most great, the ever great, the perfectly great, Al-Halim, the one who is so forbearing, who doesn't punish immediately. He is the Lord of the great throne. And if He is the Lord of the great throne, then everything else is less than the throne. It's smaller than the throne. So it's not difficult for Allah to take care of. He is the Lord of the skies and Lord of the earth, Lord of the noble throne. We see over here that when you repeat the statement of Tawheed, La ilaha illallah, then this is something that lightens your sadness. It lightens the burden of sadness in your heart. This is the cure.